Welcome to our channel about how it is possible to improve your health with just a handful of plants. In this video you will see the health benefits of sage, oregano and garlic.
The word sage has come to mean wise or a wise or learned person. Its scientific name, salvia, means to be in good health, to save, or salvation. Sage, a herb used in culinary cooking for a lifetime, its leaves are used for problems of the mouth, throat, or teeth as a whitener or mouthwash. Sage, it also has some effects, in correcting menopausal problems in women, improving oxygen and blood flow. Oregano herb, well known for its culinary use. It has very powerful antimicrobial properties. Some studies indicate that it is high in antioxidants, so it acts as a cancer protector. It can be consumed in tea for flu, colds, and in oil. It has been shown to be anti-diabetic, anti-inflammatory and anti-hyperlipidemic, lowers blood cholesterol. Garlic is a super antibiotic. It is antifungal and antiviral, very potent. It fights respiratory infections, dilates the bronchi, fluidifies the mucosis. It has been shown to help in problems such as dental abscesses to control the spread of bacterial infection and reduce inflammation.